Hey again, everybody. Monday morning, January 5th, 2026. Looking at the Astro Excel chart for the week, dialing this in. I've got a blue vertical line set up here. This was the Sunday evening open. You can see we're in bullish mode. The price action was following the blue line into Friday to the close. Opened up slightly bullish overnight. The blue and green line were in sync there. The green line starting to deviate just a bit, but still in plus territory. We're going to be hanging around the 20 line here into this evening, where tomorrow early morning we start to push up again and we go up to the 38 level here, which hangs in that area till midday on the 7th, then starts to track downwards and doesn't cross the zero line until Friday, and that cross takes place at 7 a.m. right where we have a blue line bottom spike. So that'll be an important time. The blue line at the start of the week, we had this top here, which really didn't have much of an influence in the early morning there at 5 a.m. We've got this big spike low here at 11, and we've got one here at 1930, and then again around 2330 area. The next big spike down on the blue line is going to be on the 6th at 1540, on the 7th at 4 a.m., a bottom at 7, spike high on a kind of broad top there, 2020 to 2157. Then the 8th, we've got this bottom from 1226 to 1350. A spike high in the evening, 2030, a little double top, 2133. And then the aforementioned, where the green line crosses, we've got this blue line bottom here around 715, which is going to be probably an important one. You want to look for the areas where we've got confluence. We're in the bullish zone, so we want to watch where the blue line is also bullish. Track the two lines together from this time period here up to this high, from this low up to this high. And you can see what happens there at the deviation point. It may still track higher. Yeah, don't forget, from the video Saturday, we are bucking. The green line bullish trend is bucking the cycle oscillator on the daily bar chart. Remember, we're in this downward cycle here. We're also completing that ascending triangle, so we're looking at a make or break point coming here soon, probably today or tomorrow.